how to download Gmail in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So you cannot download Gmail from your Microsoft Store, but I'll show you how you can do it. So let's dive right in. Open up your Google Chrome browser, then go to your Gmail on the top right beside images. And now, once you've opened up the Gmail, you can go to the three dots on the top right corner of the screen and then go to Cast, Save, and Share. And this will pop up. Go to Install Page as App, and then you can put in the name of the app. You can just put in Gmail and then tap on Install. Now, uh, you can go check your home and you can see that Gmail is right there. So it's as simple as that to install or download your Gmail on your Windows 11. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.